Hi all, this is Max from Nexus1hacks.net. Today we're gonna overclock our Nexus 1. First, you'll need to install the Cyanogen ROM on your Nexus 1. So please follow the directions. I'll have links to that on my blog post. And once you install the Cyanogen mod, next you'll need the set CPU application. You can download it free at XDA developers by registering, or you can also go to the Android market and buy it for 99 cents. But I've downloaded it because I'm kind of broke. Anyway, hit that button and then open up your APK installer. I'm just gonna install the the set CPU APK file. So put it in my app folder. Select the set CPU and then OK and install, and it's installed. Don't open it yet. We're gonna have to connect our Nexus 1 to the computer and flash one of the image files so we can overclock it. So let me do that next. Next, you need to download two files. The first one is the zimage-cm underscore 2633.1-oc-uv, and the second one is called the lib.tar, which you have to uncompress. Lib.tar. You can uncompress. You can use alzip. I have links to that. And if you uncompress it, you get a lib folder, and inside modules, you need this file, the bcm4329. Anyway, copy this file and the other file, zimage, into your Android SDK tools folder. Next, we're going to reboot our phone. So, oops, there we go. So, turn it off once you copied it over. There you go. And then we'll put it into bootloader mode again. So when it turns off, this is my first time doing it, but I hope I did it right, because I don't want to break my phone, but I think it should be pretty safe. But you have to do it on the latest version. You have to check the versions of your Cyanogen mod, and don't do it on a stock mod. That would be bad. So I'll be back. Now it's powered off. Next, we'll turn the into the bootloader mode by holding down the trackball button and then hitting the power button up here. And now it's in the bootloader mode. You'll want to connect your USB connector, so let me do that. So I've just connected my Nexus 1 to my computer here. And you'll want to open up your command.com. So type cmd and then go to browse to your Android directory. For me, I have it under downloads, and then under Android SDK, and then another Android SDK, and then CD tools. Oops, tools. Okay. Now we're at this directory, and this is where you copied your zimage file and also the other bcm 4329.ko file. So next, you'll want to type fast boot and then flash zimage and then the zimage file you copied earlier. I'll have links to this. So, and then press enter. And now you flash that zip file. Next, we'll have to push the one of the files, the bcm file.ko. Next, you can go to reboot and reboot your phone. and we'll be back. Once your phone has rebooted, we can use the ADB command to copy the BCM4329.ko. So go back to while your Nexus 1 is still connected to your computer, go back and type ADB push BCM4329.ko and space slash system slash lib slash modules and press enter. And if you get failed, just do ADB remount and press enter, and then try the other command again. You can just press the right arrow up arrow button twice to go back to the command you entered earlier. Press enter, and now it's actually flash the copy the modules. Next, I'm gonna since we flashed all the files, now we should be enabled to overclock our Nexus 1. So go back and open up the set CPU program you installed earlier. So that one. So allow. You can do remember. Allow. And oops, allow. So now we can go set this thing a little bit higher. Now we're running at 600. Oh, the max. Okay. Now you can use these to set the minimum CPU. And it's already at max, which is I think 1.13, about 1.1 gigahertz. So I actually have a test program here that I installed earlier and tested without the overclock. So I'm gonna open up CPU benchmark program, and when I did it with the before overclocking, I got 1396 milliseconds at 998 megahertz. So I'm gonna run a test. Now it's running 1113 megahertz or 1.113 megahertz gigahertz. Sorry. So I'm gonna do a run test. So check it out. So my Nexus 1 has been officially overclocked at 1.113 gigahertz, and looks like I shaved about 180 milliseconds off this test. So this should be pretty safe on your Nexus 1 because the voltage numbers don't change, but it's actually just overclocked, and the battery performance is supposed to be about the same. Anyway, that was how you overclock your Nexus 1. Anyway, thanks a lot.